First of all, I would like to inform you that Atomy is a South Korean company that is established in 2009 by President Han Il Park in South Korea. We are already open to 56 countries worldwide and we are really expanding. We are an online shopping mall, so everywhere you are, you could access our online shopping mall. So now let us start. Get to know Atomy's health supplements. But before that, before showing you our health supplements, I would like to share to you the importance of health supplements for our body. So, how can they support our overall well being? By the way, supplements are not a replacement for healthy eating, but they can play a vital role in filling nutritional gaps and maintaining health. So I would just like to give you an information that this is not a medicine. Before you take any supplements or any medications, it is always better to consult your doctor, especially when you are having some kind of sickness or if you are suffering to any kind of like abnormality, sickness, or if you are taking some medicines. So it is always better to ask your doctors, okay, beforehand. So, what are the importance of health supplements? So, the first one is nutrient gap filling. Even with a balanced diet, it's hard to get all the nutrients our body needs. Factors like busy lifestyle, processed food, and poor soil quality reduce nutrient intake. Supplements such as multivitamins, iron, and vitamin D can help fill these gaps. So, for example, people who don't get enough sun often need vitamin D supplements. So, do you agree? Yes, if we are not all the time under the sun. We need a lot of vitamin D. The sun gives us vitamin D, but of course, if it's winter, there are not a lot of sun. We can take some supplements with vitamin D. So here you have, yes, the information. Why is it important for nutrient gap filling? So first, it is for vitamin D for those with limited sun exposure, iron for people with anemia, vitamin B12 for vegetarians or vegans. Yeah. And what else, right? It supports overall health. Different people have different nutritional needs. Pregnant women, for example, need folic acid and iron. And athletes or older adults often require calcium and vitamin D. And athletes may benefit from protein or electrolytes. And also, supplements help meet these unique requirements, supporting health at every stage of our life. The next one is it promotes wellness as well. It can actually enhance immune function and supplements like vitamin C, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids can strengthen the immune system. They also improve energy levels and help the body cope with stress and fatigue. This is especially helpful for people with demanding jobs or those recovering from some illness. All right. And next one, of course, health supplements can address nutritional gaps, right? So antioxidants such as vitamin E and C and minerals like selenium protect cells from damage. Regular supplementation can reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease or certain cancers. So in the long run, this supports a healthier, more active lifestyle and longevity. So I'm sorry for my pronunciation. So I myself, I have been taking a lot of supplements of Atomy, and I will show you later on to the next slide what are the supplements I am currently taking and why. And yes, supplements help fill nutrient gaps, as I've said a while ago, and it also supports specific needs, boost immunity, and promote long-term health. However, they should not, so remember this, they should not replace a balanced diet. And again, always consult a doctor or nutritionist before starting new supplements to avoid overdosing or harmful interactions. So before I proceed with my next slide, I would like to welcome our viewers from Facebook. Hello, guys. I know it's very unusual for you to see me live on Facebook. I always do Facebook Reels, but this time you will see me regularly because I am really very eager to share to you why Atomy's products, Korean products, are really very good into our health, our well-being, and into our skin. And again, I would like to reiterate that if you are interested to know more about the business side of Atomy, please do not hesitate to send me a private message later on. All right. Now, Atomy Europe. So we are in Europe. I will be focusing now in Atomy Europe. We have lots of supplements available, like for example, vitamin C, Hemohim G, Alaska E Omega 3, Biotics, fermented noni concentrate, pure spirulina 100%, inner collagen, pomegranate mixed fruit jelly, and Atomy Hong Samdan. So all of these amazing supplements, they have specific functionality that may be a help for you guys, as I've said, if you are experiencing some fatigue or you just wanted to better your wealth or your well-being, right? So for myself, I am taking the Atomy Vitamin C. I am taking the Hemohim G, Alaska E Omega 3. This really supports my brain health as every day I'm always thinking. I always tell my team, if you could dive into my mind, I think you're gonna drown because I'm thinking a lot. And it also helps me with my sleep. It also helps me with my eyesight because I am always in front of the computer and I am always on my phone. So it's, yeah, not so good for the eyes. But luckily, I'm taking this Alaska Omega 3 and it helps me better my eye health. And of course, I am also taking the Atomy Biotics. Atomy Biotics is good for our digestion, especially for people who cannot go to toilet. You know what? I'm just gonna give you some info about myself. When I was younger, I was actually weighing almost 100 kilos. If you could find my reel on on Facebook and on Instagram, I have shown my picture, but it is only shown for like 3, 5 seconds. So you have to be quick and you have to pause it to see how I looked like before. I could only wear like 5XL t-shirts and my trousers. Oh my G. It's like 50 centimeters, 48 centimeters. You couldn't actually recognize me. Right? So I was really ashamed when I was young. You know why? When I was younger, also, what was the reason behind me taking probiotics? Because I had a hard time to go to the toilet. So I go to the toilet for number two to poo, yes, every 3 to 4 days. So it's how constipated I was. But now, the moment I joined Atomy and I was educated, why do we need to take health supplements and very good education about probiotics? By the way, next week we will be discussing what is probiotics, and one from our team will give you a testimonial on how probiotics help her. And yes, recommended use, for example, for probiotics is once daily. And I can assure you that if you take these probiotics, you will really have a normalized number two to go to toilet. So you will not have to wait for 4 days or 3 days like what I had. And also the fermented noni concentrate. But I'm not taking this one because, yeah, for some reason I really do not appreciate the taste. But for some people, this is really very good. Also, we have the pure spirulina 100%. And, oh my gosh, one of my favorite is Atomy pomegranate mixed fruit jelly and Atomy inner collagen. Why? First of all, Atomy inner collagen is very good for our skin. It increases our collagen production and it is very good if we wanted to stay forever young and keep our skin moisturized, eliminate our wrinkles. So I advise you to take or to consume our Atomy Inner Collagen. I am taking it as well, and I'm so happy that at my age, I am now 35, and I do not actually have a lot of visible wrinkles yet, as you can see here, right? And I also am taking the Atomy pomegranate mixed fruit jelly. So this is a very good antioxidant, same as with Atomy vitamin C, and this also has um, an effect if you wanted to lose weight. Yes, so if you want to lose weight, this is a very good source of losing weight. It has gallic acid that may eliminate some fats from our body. That's the reason why also I'm taking this one, because I am still not confident with my weight. Although I already lost like half of my weight from when I was weighing almost 100 kilos, but because I'm short, I'm only 151 cm. So, and also, yeah, my weight now, I believe it's like 60 kilos, so it's not so good. Um, for my height, I am actually overweight, so I need to lose 8 kilos more. So I am really trying to do my 10,000 steps every day, and I'm stretching, so it's really very good on top of taking health supplements as well. And OMG, I'm sorry for my expression, but this is also one of my favorite Atomy Hong Samdan, because we are, all of us like watching here on Facebook Live, watching on Zoom right now with us, we are all hardworking. And sometimes we feel that we are very tired, we experience fatigue, and this Atomy Hong Samdan will actually boost our immunity and will give us more energy. So the recommended use of this product is once daily. And please do not consume it before going to sleep, because it will give you a pump and you will be energized right before going to sleep. And I would just like to let you know that our products, first of all, it has an absolute quality, very good quality, and it has an absolute price. So what does it mean? What does it mean? It means that our products are easily accessible to the wider public. So no matter what type of status of life we have in our economy, we could actually consume our products because our products are very affordable. Okay, I will not say cheap because they're not cheap. They are good quality, yet very affordable for the public. And if you purchase online, if you make your account right now and purchase online, your products will be on your hand. You can try it from 3 to 4 days. So that's our shipping within Europe? Well, it depends when you are, for example, living in an island, for example, an island in Spain. Of course, it will take a longer time. Okay. And also, as you can see, the Atomy vitamin C, as an example, the Atomy vitamin C costs 22 euros 50, and it already has 90 pieces. So the recommended use of this product is to take it once daily, and but you can actually take maximum four, so 2,000 milligrams of Atomy vitamin C. But if you think of it, if you consume one Atomy vitamin C per day, you have a supply of Atomy vitamin C for what? 90 days, for 3 months. So what is 22 euros 50 if you can consume it for 3 months or 90 days? Very, very economical, right? So today, I will not be able to share all the benefits of these products, of course. So I will be focusing with one of our flagship product, which is the Atomy Hemohim G.